guys! Welcome back to Everyday Tips. Today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano tayo kikita ng $500 or 25,000 pesos in just 1 week. Don't worry because these websites are 100% legit and free, and this is available worldwide. So to begin, just go to selix.com. So scroll down lang po tayo sa baba. And then click natin tong affiliate. So yes, this is about affiliate marketing po. Kung saan nagbebenta tayo ng products and may makukuha tayong commission. So once na-click po natin yan, mapupunta tayo sa page na to. And as you can see, we can earn as much as $259 to $1,249, 100% or 50% commission every time na may mabebenta po tayong product. So to apply po, click lang po natin tong apply now. Then may mag-o-open po na isa pang window. So ilalagay lang po natin dito lahat ng information na hinihingi nila para po maging successful yung application natin sa website na to and makapagsimula na po tayong makapagbenta ng products nila and makakuha tayo ng commission natin. So, ayan po, lagay lang natin lahat ng info na kailangan. And then, once tapos na po tayo, i-click lang po natin tong orange button para po makapag-proceed na tayo sa next step. And then, hihintayin lang po natin na ma-approve yung application natin and makakapagbenta na po tayo ng products nila. So, for the second website, we have Bitly po. Dito kay Bitly, dito natin ilalagay yung affiliate link natin para mapaiksi natin siya. So, ipipaste lang po natin dito and then i-click lang natin yung shorten and then lalabas na po dito sa may bandang baba yung shorten link natin. So, i-copy lang po natin yan. And for the third website, we have Facebook po. So, magla-login lang po tayo and then isa-search natin Amazon Seller. So, lalabas na po lahat ng groups na related with Amazon or Amazon selling. So, magjo-join lang po tayo sa mga groups na yan, kahit isa or dalawa or kahit tatlo. So, pag nag-join po tayo, may mag-a-ask po dyan ng simple questions bago ma-approve yung application natin na makapag-join. So, the reason po kung bakit nag-join tayo sa mga Facebook groups na to is dito po kasi natin ipipaste yung affiliate links natin. So, the more na marami pong mag-click at mag-purchase ng products natin gamit yung affiliate link natin is the more po na malaki ang kikitain natin. And we can earn as much as 25,000 in just 1 week. For the honest review po of this websites, ang pros po niya is 100% legit and free, malaki ang kitaan, and pwede po ito sa cellphone o kaya naman po sa laptop. For the cons, 7 days free trial lang po siya, so we have to make the most of it. And dapat po magaling tayong magbenta ng produkto natin para mas malaki po ang kikitain natin. So what do you think, guys? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends so we can continue making them, hit the like button, and of course, click nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo once nag-upload na ulit kami ng new video on how you can earn money online. Thank you for watching here at Everyday Tips. See you on our next video. Bye!